Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go the settings on Meta Business Suite. First, open your Meta Business Suite. And then what you're going to do is you can see this menu bar. Just tap on that. And then you can see right here, More Tools. And then you can see right here, Settings. Just tap on that. And that is how you can go the settings on Meta Business Suite. So now right here on settings, you can view and manage your Facebook page info and activity. For example, your page notifications, automations, appointments, and your page info. And right here on settings, you can see the Facebook account management. So if, for example, you want to deactivate or delete your Facebook account, you can do it right here. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.